Welcome to Lifestyle with Din. Today we are walking up the Shekhar Fall track. This is behind Shanshai Ashram in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India. And beautiful laid out greenery, enjoying the sounds of the jungle and the sounds of this beautiful little river. The water is pretty clean as it's the monsoon season. We're enjoying right here with my buddy Uma, who I'll show in a bit. So this is a beautiful pathway. It leads to a little waterfall. It's just a small walk from the Rajpur region. Yeah, we're enjoying. Just had some beautiful brunch breakfast at home. Homemade authentic chapatis with beautiful ghee from the cow that the family owns. So we'll be walking up with this surrounding and I'll see you at the waterfall. Guys, we are traveling. We're with this amazing yogi Uma Bhai, Uma Shankar the Great. And we're going up from his house up the Shekhar Fall trek, Rajpur, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India, the lower Himalayas. And we've been covering a little bit of it and I'll keep covering more of it. I think it's better for you to see the surroundings than my face because they are better, prettier, and I'll show you more of that. With that being said, Uma Bhai, namaskar kar do sabko.
Namaskar.
Cheers guys, much love and good vibes. Nature has a beautiful way of telling us that we have to brush our teeth before we put on lipstick, because that's more important. And before brushing your teeth, you have to brush your soul. And then look at the external makeup, because in nature, when we are here together with the mountains, with the beautiful river, we don't need anything else than sheer willpower, a little bit of strength, a little bit of courage to explore the unknown. No makeup counts here. Nature is beautiful in its purest form, and so are we, because we are nothing but parts of nature. And being beautiful parts of nature, we have to understand to first brush our soul, then brush our teeth, and then think about putting lipstick on. So guys, this season in the monsoons, there have been a lot of new waterfall kind of scenes forming here in this area. This is one of them. It's very beautiful because it's coming straight from the top, pure water, cleanliness, and this is what happens, this is the erosion that naturally takes place. So you have to be mindful whenever you're traveling up these beautiful mountains that you don't lose your mind in these things. You just are conscious in your tourism. You're conscious while you're absorbing all the magnificence of nature, and in that consciousness you will be able to not only exploit, but absorb the goodness and the lessons from nature. So please do that, and please tell a friend about it also. Not to just exploit and get excited with nature and go crazy and then pollute. Absorb this stillness and silence, this flow of the waterfall, and this basic aspect that life is both a mixture of goodness and badness. The real candy of life lies in the mountains, in the lap of nature. That is the real candy which won't lead to diabetes. Always keep smiling, and I'll always keep giving you reasons to smile. उमा जी ये देखिए यहाँ पर जो बेहतरीन वाटरफॉल है, शेखर फॉल जो है आपका, यहाँ से आपका घर कितनी दूर है?
यहाँ से घर सिर्फ 5 मिनट से वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है।
The point is that some people stay so close to such beautiful places, not even 5 minutes away, but they always believe in keeping this area pure. That's why they don't come here so regularly. आप कितने दिन के बाद आ रहे हो यहाँ पर?
मैं खुद पूरी बरसात भर आ जा रहा हूँ, मतलब ये 2 महीने बीत गए हैं, उसके बाद आ जाना है।
The point is we have to respect nature. What happens is people abuse and exploit. They come here in monsoon and then they feel the wrath of nature. There's some landslide, there's some problem, and then they get victimized and complain that nature is bad. Actually, you have to have the mind to enjoy nature in the right season. Someone who's staying here for all these years, he stays 5 minutes away from here. He's coming here for the first time in the monsoon season, which has lasted 3 months. So have that mindset. Thank you so much, Uma. So guys, a very important message that we have is that we have to always keep our surroundings clean. And clean doesn't only mean in terms of not polluting this place with, materials, but also with excited thought processes, thoughts engaging in getting something out of, spreading the vibes of this place. Yes, I know tourism is good, everything else is good, but there has to be a certain purity with which you have to come to these places, which is very essential because these places work well with purity. I'm going to go there, but let's see if we can find a way from that side. We have an expert with us who was born and raised in this area, so he will definitely help us. I think it's always important for us to know who the expert should be. We can't be the expert in everything in life. We have to always look for people who are good at certain things and give them that responsibility and surrender to them. That is very important. We don't surrender. We think that we are the masters, but we are not. We can't know everything. Someone else is the master at certain times. This is beautiful, guys. I hope you are always staying as fresh as you are sitting on one of those rocks with your feet dipped in this clean, pristine water, and your mind is as pure as your legs would be. This is the special droplets of promise. If you come here and ask for a wish, you will get energized to work hard towards your dreams, because that's it. Everything takes effort. Nothing comes for free with fortune and luck. So guys, if you are climbing the rocky road, you will definitely get the best views. So never be afraid of walking the rocky path, because once you're gone beyond it, there's only a beautiful, beautiful view. So we actually made it. Nothing compares to childish innocence. Always keep your inner child alive, and always keep flowing at the speed of life.